morning, students. So students, today we will learn how we can subtract 3-digit number with regrouping of tens. Okay, so suppose we have to subtract 512 and 321. Okay, so first of all we'll write this number like this. Okay, now we'll identify the place value of each digit. So this one is ones, tens and 100, right? Okay, now see, in ones place 2 is there, so just imagine 2 lines and now just remove one of them. How many lines will be left behind? 1, right? Okay, now see, in tens place only 1 line is there and we have to cut 2 lines. So it is not possible to cut 2 lines if 1 line is given, right? So what it will do, it will borrow a number from the 100 place, right? Now we know that 100 equal to 10, right? So now this 5, it will reduce to 4 and this will give 1, this will give 10 to the tens place. Now 10 plus 1, it will be how much? 11. So now these tens, the value will be now 11. Okay, now just imagine 11 lines and then just cut 2 of them. How many lines will be left behind? 9, right? Okay, now see, in 100 place 4 is there, so just imagine 4 lines and now just cut 3 of them. How many lines will be left behind? 1. So your answer will be what? 191. So like this only we will subtract any 3-digit number with regrouping of tens. Okay, so now we'll do some questions that are given in your book. Okay, now my dear students, open page number 206, say exercise 7. So see the first one, we need to subtract this following. So see the first one, see the ones place 5 and 6 is there, so just imagine 5 lines. Is it possible to cut 6 lines if 5 lines are given? No, right? So what it will do, it will borrow 10 from the tens place value, right? So this tens place value, it will reduce and it will become 7, and this value that is in ones place, it will become 10 more. That means we have to add 5 with 10, it will become 15, right? Now just subtract 15 and 6. What will be our answer? Nine, right? Okay, now see, in tens place 7 is there, so just imagine 7 lines and now just cut 5 of them. How many lines will be left behind? 2, right? Okay, now see, in 100 place only 2 is there, so we can write this 2 directly. So our answer will be what? 229. Okay. Okay, now see B part. So see, in ones place 2 is there, So imagine 2 lines. Is it possible to cut 5 lines from 2? No, right? So what it will do, it will borrow 1 from 10. Now this 1, it will become 10 when it goes to 1's place. So now 10 plus 2, it will be 12. Now 12 minus 5, it will be how much? 7. 3 minus 3, 0. 7 minus 4, see the 100 place value, 3. So our answer will be what? 307, right? Okay. Now see C part. So see, in 1's place 4 is there. So is it possible to cut 8 lines if 4 lines are given? No, right? So what it will do, it will borrow from the 10's place value. This 10's place value will become 3 and this will become 14. Now just subtract 8 from 14. Now just subtract 8 from 14. What will be our answer? Six, right? Now this 3, we can write it directly because no other number is there, and now in 100 place 3 is there, so that 3 also we can write it directly. Okay, so just like this only you have to do D, E, F, G and H in your classwork copy. Okay. Okay, now see I part. There were 456 books in the library. 238 books are issued to students. How many books are left in the library? So this much of books are there and this much of books issued by the students. Okay. So how many books will be left behind? So we'll subtract these two numbers. So 456, we'll subtract it by 238. Now see, in 1's place 6 and 8 is there, so we can't subtract these two numbers, right? So it will borrow 1 and this will become 4. Now that 1 will become 10 when it reach in 10's place. Now 10 plus 6, it will be 16. Now 16 minus 8, it will be 8. Now see, 4 minus 3, it will be 1. Now see, 4 minus 2, it will be 2. So total how many books are left behind? 218 books. Okay. Okay, now see J part. So 436 children visited a zoo on Saturday and 848 children visited on Sunday. How many more children visited the zoo on Sunday? So we have to find out how many more. So if this type of questions will come, we'll always do what? Subtraction. So we'll subtract, we'll write the bigger number first. So 845 and then we'll write 436. Now we'll subtract these two numbers. So see, in 1's place 5 and 6 is there, so this is not possible, right? So 5 will borrow 1 from the 10's place and it will become 3. Now this 1, it will become 10 when it reach in 1's place. Now 10 plus 5, it will be 15. Now 15 minus 3, it will be how much? 9, right? Now 3 minus 3, 0. Now 8 minus 4, it will be how much? Just imagine 8 lines and now just cut 4 of them. You will get 4. So your answer will be what? 409. Okay. So I hope that you have understood how we can regroup while subtracting any 3-digit number. Okay, so this I and J part also you have to do these two in your classwork copy. Okay, so that's all for today.